Hi, this is Debra Jason with Creative Whispers of the Heart, and today we're painting holiday ornaments with alcohol ink. First step is to have a solo cup, this plastic cup, a glass ornament, my Sharpie, and a razor blade. I'm going to take the solo cup and mark it in the top there with the Sharpie so that I can cut a hole in it. Now, working with this razor blade is not so easy as you'll see, but I'm going to take it and slice through the cup there. Takes a little bit of shimmying. Be careful not to cut yourself. But what I'm doing is creating a hole in the cup, and that's where I'm going to place the ornament. So I'm just cutting through those 4 little slots. And you'll see there's a hole there. Here's what it looks like on a previous cup. So that's where I'm going to put the ornament. I take the glass ornament, and I'm actually using a different cup here, and I just put it in there. Now you see I'm able to spin the cup around without getting my hands all full of ink. Now I have my gloves on, and I'm going to get started. I'm using Monsoon from Ranger ink. It happens to be one of my favorites since I started doing what some call holiday baubles. I'm turning the cup around. Now I'm adding isopropyl alcohol, 99%, and just spinning the cup around so that the ink goes around the ornament. Adding some more ink. You can see how it spreads. As most things with alcohol ink, it's kind of intuitive. I'm taking a blow dryer. This is a 500-watt dryer. Many of you paint with alcohol inks using this. And I'm blowing the ink around the ornament as I turn the cup. I think right now I'm going to add some more isopropyl. See how it spreads and activates the ink? By the way, I do wear a mask, a respirator mask, and now I'm blowing it with the hairdryer. You can see how it spreads around the ornament. And I'm actually using the dryer just to spread the ink, not necessarily to dry it. I'm putting some in the bottom, some in the middle, some toward the top. And just continually turning the cup and adding more alcohol so that the ink spreads around the ornament. You see I have paper towels down there because there's a lot of ink that drips, but you can see it's spreading all over the ornament, and now I'm going to spread it some more with the blow dryer. You also see under the paper towels I have a covering on my table just to make sure I don't ruin my furniture. So here's what it looks like so far. Now I'm adding some Foundry. This is a silver metallic from Ranger ink. And I'm just dropping it on there. And you can see it's really very cool when the silver starts to spread. And it moves slowly, so I just keep turning the ornament. I'm adding a little bit of alcohol here that helps break up the silver and makes it spread. And actually, it's called Foundry if you're looking for this specific ink from Ranger. Can you see as I turn it around how the silver is just moving through there? It's so cool. Turning the cup. Now I'm going to put some more of that Monsoon on top. And then a little bit more, maybe no, I'm going to put alcohol. See, it's very intuitive. So there you can see how the alcohol makes it spread, and now I'll turn the cup and let it continue to spread. Now I'm taking that blow dryer to spread the alcohol and to spread some of that silver. The silver takes a little bit longer to dry, so the blow dryer will move it around. It kind of looks like the earth, don't you think? So here's what it looks like when I'm all done. There's a little bit of purple because in the solo cup I used, there was some purple around that circle. So when I added alcohol, it spread, but I love the way that it looks. So you can see it's a simple process. You need a solo cup. This was a white glass ornament, some Monsoon from Ranger Ink, some Foundry, and your blow dryer. And there you have a beautiful holiday ornament, or what some call holiday baubles. I hope you'll give it a try, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, please like, share, or post a comment below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks a million for watching. Here's to your sweet painting success.